what I mean about believing in yourself. Because nobody can do you better than you. Nobody can be you. Who you are and what you are will become a reality. And you will understand what this life you have really means. Don't look at yourself and think that you don't belong here. Don't look at yourself and think you shouldn't be doing this or you shouldn't be doing that. Maybe this is not for me. How do you know that? If you don't put your heart into it, then you get nothing out of it. That's what you have to look at, ladies and gentlemen. Don't look at it's the end of the world for you. You don't want it to be perfect. As much as we want perfection, perfection is false. It doesn't work under the sun. As long as you are human, you are never going to be perfect. You can work for it. What makes the journey beautiful?
All right, we're gonna start. Load this from here. We're gonna start with the US 30. It's coming up just above the monthly high right now on a weekly. And the weekly high for the US 30 is 45,030.6. Weekly low is 44,362.2. And come over, find a mid week, grab the Fed. So we got the weekly high at 45,030.6. And we got the weekly low at 44,362.2. Giving us a midweek resistance of 696.4. Okay. All right, so all right, I'm gonna go over to the non. The monthly high change on hold on. So the new month high for Nas is 23,984. 23,984.9 is the new monthly high. We gotta get a new mid-month resistance. So new month high, 23,984.9. Monthly low, 22,034 dot dot 26. Which gives us a mid-month resistance of 23,014.8.08. So the weekly and the monthly high is gonna be the same. No, it's not. But it's not gonna be the same. We got the weekly high right now at 23,794.07. And the weekly low at 23,416. Got 61. That is a weekly high of 23,794.07. A weekly low of 23,416.61. Given a midweek resistance of 23,605.34. Okay. So, okay, I'm not. I'm gonna come back over the nines. It look like it's pulling down from the high, but you're gonna I, Alright. We got the weekly high at 33,663.96.
You said download it.
The weekly low
I'm gonna show you what she's doing, bro.
the weekly low
Yeah, I just can't help the serve.
is 33.24.
Yeah, she on it now. You just fucking flag.
So we got the weekly high 33.63.96. Got the low 33.23.64. Given a midweek resistance of the goal at 33.43.80.
Shit. I mean.
I want to make sure the monthly is correct. Okay, the monthly is correct. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We got gold just broke below the midweek and the mid-month. Gold is setting up for a nice sell. Like just looking at the daily trend. Gold is setting up for a nice sell. It's coming out of a daily order block. It's strong value. Looking to take a sell on gold. would be a TP1. We can hold it for TP2 down until the order block here. Just want to retest this order block. So go. This is where I'm anticipating the buy from down here. So it looks like it's setting up for a nice we got the weekly high for Bitcoin at 117,937 and 39 cents. Got the weekly low. It's 117. 117. 101. And 60. So we got the weekly high, 117, 9, 3, 7. Y'all ate all of pastrami? Dot 39. What? We got the weekly low, 117, 101.60. Y'all left the bread open? 117, 117, 519, dot 50. The midweek resistance. I think this is just a pullback for Bitcoin because this is consolidating right now. This right here is consolidation. That's why the weekly candle opened up the way it did. So we got it accumulate order accumulations right here going on. And it's still above the mid-month right now. I would need a clearer picture on tomorrow during New York session when there's more volume in the market for Bitcoin because this is consolidating. Was looking at it over the weekend too, and I was seeing that it was consolidating over the weekend. Like if on a higher time frame we see consolidation, and when you drop down, you can see like some moves on a lower time frame. But on a higher time frame, you see that it's moving sideways. It ain't really making no new highs or new lows. So I will wait on Bitcoin more towards the New York session to look for a better setup for Bitcoin. And then but Nas is also consolidating right here. But if it's following US 30, I would anticipate it to sell. And now you see it. It didn't give us a clear indication right now. It didn't give no clear indication right now. And I see that US 30 is rejecting the high, but it's on a daily buy trend. Like the trend for US 30 right now is flying. We got it above the midweek and the mid-month. Right here. I will see. So this is still on a buy trend. It consolidated right there at the mid-month, right here. We had consolidation on a daily chart with it moving sideways. It broke the consolidation and pulled up here. That buy, I don't think that buy is finished. I think it's going to pull back towards the trend line and continue back up to retest the high. I think it's going to retest the high before it sells. So we're looking for a retest on US 30. Look for it to retest. Look for it to retest the high. And Nas is just not clear for me. I don't like this right here. This sideways movement going on Nas. Even on the daily, it's no clear and there's no new highs or new lows on it, even on a daily chart. So for Nas, I would definitely wait until I get a clear indication for Nas because this is no clear indication of which way it's gonna move. I will wait more towards the New York session and see if we got a clear move or not. But for gold, it looked like it's respecting the trend. It does look like it's going to continue selling on the sell trend. It pulled right up and there towards there and started selling. For gold. I'm going to mark up the DXY since we're going to be trading gold. The weekly high on DXY is 98.301. And the weekly low is 97.775. So weekly high 98.301. Weekly low 97.775. Midweek resistance 98 .038. This is why we got it buying, because it retested this order block here on a 4-hour and pulling up. So if the dollar is if the dollar index is buying, you can anticipate the sell for gold. We need a clear break for Bitcoin and buy indication, because it's right here where it's at is where it's buying from. So for Bitcoin, I'm waiting for it to come here and retest this order block before it pulls back up, because it didn't break this mid-month. It's still respecting this area right now. So I still will wait. I wouldn't get in before New York session though. I would not. I would wait until we're in session before you get into Bitcoin. But if it rejects this area here, I would anticipate a buy, just because this is where a lot of rejection is at. We had a lot of order accumulation happen right here in this area. So I will wait for this area. This is like around right around 116, 116. Like, I need to lower this order block 116, 400, 7. I will wait for it to see if it's gonna break that. A break will be a candle close below. But if it's just wicking, like how it's wicking now, we anticipate for it to pull back up. But still wait towards New York session. So the monthly high and the weekly high on GJ look like it's the same. Yeah, I think it's different. The monthly high for GJ is 200. 200, 285. Monthly low for GJ is 195.035. So the high 200.285. The low 135, 195.035. Giving a mid-month on BJ of 197.660. Weekly high is 200.004. Weekly low 198.335. It's 200.004. Weekly low 198.335. 199.170 is the midweek resistance. Okay. And we got GJ bouncing in between the midweek and the weekly high. We got it sitting in a higher time frame order block. Like just trying to break this trend. It look like it's trying to break the trend. Yeah. If it don't break this high, here I would anticipate a sell. Sorry. Just because I was hovering around in a spot right here. Sorry. Come here. This right here. We need a clear break above this high. Let's confirm the sell. If this won't sell, because it look like it's trying to break the trend. This right here. I'm gonna look and see what DJ is doing more towards London. Because this right here, unclear. This is what you consider unclear price action right there. So gold gave us a clear indication for a sell. Waiting for New York session for US 30. And for Nas, we need a clear break. This is not, this is choppy. This is choppy. That's very choppy. You need a breakout on Nas. I wouldn't touch it. And I want to see if Bitcoin is gonna break here. Break that 400 level. And a candle close below that 400 level. To confirm the sell. Something I wouldn't touch that's not in session right now. Wait for New York session to get into Bitcoin. You'll see the move clearer. What's the order? So wait for New York session to get into Bitcoin. Gold is selling. Looking for a buy on US 30, more towards New York session. Nah, it's just unclear. GJ, I want GJ to retest the high. I'm looking for it to retest and sell. Just because it's up inside of a higher time frame order block. And we got a lot of unclear price action on the daily. So I'm anticipating that this is going to break for us, GJ. Yeah. Any questions? All right. So we're going to go ahead and end the call. I'm going to have the call, the recording up. It's probably going to go up within like the next couple of hours. So y'all can go ahead and review it. But we're going to go ahead and end. Don't take the trade if the trade ain't clear, though. The trade ain't clear, don't take it. And don't trade out of session. Let's get this money, y'all.